Well, hello, class. This is Professor Reynolds. Um, we are now at the start of week 4, which means that at the end of this week, we'll be halfway through the course. I told you before that this class goes by quickly, and here we are almost halfway through. Last week, you had a paper and a problem set due. Some of you did not complete the problem set, and I encourage you to do so. The average grade was around 97. So if you follow the problem examples that I gave you, I think that you can get through and get a good grade. The paper should be fairly simple to construct as well. And since we are almost halfway through, there's not going to be a lot of time to catch up. This week, there's only one problem set that is due, but there are, I believe, 14 problems with the problem set. As always, on Wednesday, I will provide you with examples so that if you follow along with those, you should be able to complete the problem set successfully with a high score. This week, we're going to be talking about 3 different items. Chapter 11 will have to do with hedging and currency translations. So you'll need to look at the accounting for currency hedging, which means that you'll have to make adjustments based on the initial currency rate and then the currency rates throughout the month or throughout the period, and then currency rates at the end. Chapter 14, or I'm sorry, Chapter 12 will cover translation of financial statements. So if a U.S. company owns a majority of a company, say in Germany, you'll need to translate those financial statements into dollars so the US can present that company as part of their financials. And then lastly, there will be partnership formation. There will be some examples on that. Now, you will also, for your project, you will need to, you will know about partnerships because that'll be part of your final project. So I encourage you to pay attention to that. So this week you have a lot of reading to do, 14 problems, but you should be able to get through those. Some of you are probably going to notice that, yes, I'm one of those people. We have decorated for Christmas, something that my wife and I enjoy. So we do it early. You'll also notice my Georgia helmet there, and my Bulldogs were successful this past weekend. And so hopefully they will win the next 2 games and then play Alabama in the SEC championship. That's all I have. I'll also update a written notice on what's due this week if you want to review that. Have a good week.